Good evening, everyone. All right, so welcome to the YouTube live. If you can hear me, all right, so I would like you to confirm that you can hear me using the chat section so we can actually proceed. We're just going to go straight to the chat. Just use like 20 to 30 minutes and we're done. All right. So if you can hear me, indicate in the chat section so we can actually proceed with the live stream. All right. So we have a good luck gifts. You can hear me. All right. Entertainment TV, Chike, Okudili David. All right. Wonderful. Japheth Augustine. Japheth Augustine always a turn off. That's nice. Most of you are actually uh, usually turn up. All right. So that's cool. That's a very fantastic one. It's good to have you guys here. It's good to have everybody here. Having the entire giving the entire fans the opportunity to connect to this live, and as well those people who are actually not part of Forex Media and Academy, giving them the opportunity to be part of this live stream. All right. So okay. So that's a wonderful one. All right. So we're going to have a good time tonight, and we'll be revealing markets that we're going to be making money from. Okay, we're going to be making the market we're going to be making money from. So I don't want anybody to miss out of it. All right, so we're going to be revealing them, and I'll like you guys to throw your own suggestions too on the markets you would like us to review together. So we have enough time today to do that. And if you're a newbie, you're just joining in, you may not understand what we're doing, but that's not a problem. So you can just relate with what you're doing, just observe. Remember that when you're mingling with 5 millionaires, you end up becoming a 60 millionaire. All right. So if you don't understand what we're doing, it's fine. All right. But as long as you understand price action, you understand SMC, you understand indicators, you understand ICT, you're good. You can understand the analysis that we're going to be putting through, because the kind of analysis we get to do involves a touch of SMC and full blown price action. All right. So, like I said to you guys, I pick we pick what is of most importance in a particular strategy and combine it with the price action strategy, or to enable us to have an effective trade setup and take wonderful trades. All right. The day when we're back on charts, that was on Thursday, we dropped a bomb signal on GBP card, and we annihilated GBP card. All right. And a lot of persons actually did that. So I encourage everybody to not miss out of any signals anymore. As long as you are in the funded trader room, if you are not yet there, aspire to be there. It's very easy. You get your before the funded trader group was I gave it to everybody free. It's actually still free anyway. I gave the opportunity for everybody to join in. Any other person that's coming in, what will just get you into the funded traders group is what you actually gotta get an account. And if you're actually in the funded traders group, I encourage you to get an account, all right, because it will make you to earn faster. All right. So you have an opportunity to trade a live funded account, real large money, a minimum of $3,000 up to 10,000 to I think 50,000, $30,000 up to 300, 500, and so on. All right. So guys, um, yeah. So for the prop account, you have the evaluation, and the evaluation carries one step evaluation, unlike some other platform that gives you two-step evaluation. So this one has just one. So you're only meant to pass one, and you get your funded account immediately. All right. So why the other type of account that we have is the instant funded account, where you don't get to pass evaluation. You just get your account straight up with your money. Then any profit you make, you get 70% out of it. Then trade gets 30% out of it. That's it. So I've explained this before, and if you're looking for further explanation, you can go to our YouTube channel. The video is there. Watch the video on how to pass your 10 trade prop account. All right, the one with 1.8k views. That's one you should watch and understand very, very well. Okay, so the funded program is open to everybody according to their level of finance. So if your level is the is to get the instant funded account, fine. If your level is to get the evaluation, fine. Whatever level that you are, there's no problem. Nobody is pressurizing you. But that I encourage you that if you have the funds, get a higher one. All right. So instead of you wasting your time with evaluation, you can just get funded ASAP. Okay. So, but if your level is evaluation, there's no problem. It's fine. I'm not pressurizing everybody. Do what is around your budget. I am not telling you that you must do this account, you must do this account. No, it's not a must. All right. And don't also forget an important information that I always say, which is what the information I always communicate is that you don't store money on your proper account. What you just do is you trade. When you make your profit, you withdraw and fund your account, your real account. So your traditional retail account is your main deal. I always say, no matter what I tell you guys what works. All right. In as much we stand in for 10 trillion, telling the reality of life. You cannot vouch for everything, which is true, but we can give a certain percentage. So, me as your mentor, are telling you something very important. Nobody is saying it's a scam or whatever. No, what I'm saying is that your original retail account is the main target. It's not for you to just be trading profit and be going. So, as a trader, you should have about 3 accounts. You should have one of which prop account will be there, then one large account that contains your normal trading. That's your real account. Then another one is for small. Maybe you want to flip account. So those are the kind of 3 types of accounts you should have. If you didn't get that, let me repeat myself. There are 3 types of accounts you should have as a trader. The first one is your prop account, in which you make profitable withdrawals from. The second one is your normal large funded account, as in your own money that is there, real money that is there. Then the last one is your small account. Maybe you want to flip an account. Maybe you have $100 to flip, or $50 to flip, or $500 to flip, or $1,000 to flip, depending on your level of finance. So that's what a trader should have: 3 types of accounts. But never store money on your evaluation. Sorry, don't never store money on your prop firm account. Okay, don't forget that. You make whenever it's time for you to withdraw your profits, withdraw. Then don't forget, if you have some logistics or things you want to sort out, your bills and stuff, you can sort out. But don't forget your normal retail. That is the goal. So the funded program is provided for people who may not be opportune to have a large capital. All right. So you can stand a chance. If you let me tell you something. If you can't pass or own a proper account, you're not yet a trader. That's very bad. It's very bad, because the rules should enable you to pass. The rules is not expected for you to fail, because you actually make money. When you make money, the broker makes money. That's how it actually works. So if you can't pass a normal proper account, what are you doing? It means that you need to learn more, test your strategy well, learn very well. And before you dive into any proper account, I'm sure you must have learned how to trade very well, and not carrying one kind knowledge or scattered knowledge. So I'm not diving into that, but I just want to let you know the importance of it. Please, whenever you want to get into any about the funded program and you've not gone through how to pass your 10 trade funded account, don't trade that account yet. Don't trade it. If you don't have an understanding of a pop account, don't trade the account. It's very bad, because there is no way you will lose the account. All right, you will lose the account. That's not cool. Okay, so it's important that to communicate these informations to you guys, so that you be aware. It's not just buy a camera guy. No, 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 no. And give everybody their own kind of opportunities, that you give everybody your own opportunities that your pocket can afford. If you hear me clearly, if it's a $3,000 account that you can afford, which is $29, fine, no problem. If it is the instant funded account that costs $100, fine, no problem. If it is $10,000 evaluation account that costs $96, fine. That's what you can afford, no problem. If it is the instant funded account of the $10,000 that is cost $300, that is your capacity, fine, you can buy. Everybody with their own this if you find me pushing you, do this, do this, do this, do that, like buy this, I can buy. No, that's not cool anymore. So everybody has their own privilege, but you are the one that knows the amount of your what, your network. So do what works for you. If you feel like it's the 10K that works for you, fine, no problem. Everybody has the same opportunity. Linda is asking what is evaluation. I remember Linda Ivedia. Linda Ivedia is also new. Don't worry, you get to understand what I'm addressing. So what I'm basically addressing that for people who are already aware of what pop account is. All right. So that yeah, so just chill, Linda. You know about what evaluation is and content. So if you're a new trader, I'm now going to talk about if you don't know how pop account works. Now, your pop account is very is the program that offers opportunities for a lot of traders that may not have funds to benefit from large funds. Now, you can get funded with a $10,000, but first you need to pass a test, which is called evaluation. They need to test you if you actually want to be given an account. That's what evaluation is. So you'll be tested on a $10,000 account with rules attached to it. Okay, if you pass that rules, the account will belong to you. So any profit you make on it, you have a certain percentage that goes to you and a certain percentage that goes to the company that provides that. So instead of you collecting people's money for investment, that's the wrong part to go. So the best part to go is what? You get a pop account in which you have a recommended one of 10 trade. So you get a pop account for yourself, pass the challenge, get the account. There are some persons that trade $100,000 pop account, but they don't get $100,000 for us. All right, they don't have it, but they can trade in such amount of money because they passed the test for that particular account and they got funded. So that's it. But this account has cost. Okay. This account has cost of the particular account you want to get. Have its own cost. Okay, Alfred FX said every good boss will always address his sheep as a good shepherd. All right, thank you, Alfred. All right, so I'll tell you what works and what does not work. If it's not working, I'll let you know. So this week we've had two to three persons that has passed their account. Those ones are doing evaluation, and we have somebody that also want to pass. You guys have seen it on my status. I'm very transparent. I post it on my status. All right. So I got a voice note from somebody. Guys, listen. I need to address some certain issues. I got a voice note from somebody on the group. I don't know if it's here, but I've actually taken him out of the academy. Do you know what he actually said on him? He said David Dunwoye is not a forex trader. That how would a trader that has been trading for 2 to 3 years be using 0.1 lot? Can you imagine? I just looked at that voice note and I smiled. I say, wow. I said, these are the type of people that people actually fool. They actually fool in the trading industry. What kind of a mentality is that? I thought you even say something better. Maybe you have a meaningful explanation. So if I post a 10 standard lot account and I tag it 3 and that's 10 standard lots that I use is a demo account. So that is the one you want to believe. If I post 100 lots that is demo, I did not tell you it's demo, I tell you it's real. That is the one you want to believe, right? It's just that a lot of people like lies. They believe lies. They believe lies a whole damn lot. So if I am posting a 0.1 lot size, it's none of your business. And you are not in my trading account. I post what I want you to see. And I never told you that I have one account. I post the one I want you to see. That is one I post for you. And I post the one that is reasonable. Do you want me to post an account where I'm using 5 standard lots so that you go and hang yourself? Or what? So that's what the guy said. I just laughed at it. I said, oh, really? So I even thought you wanted to go say something meaningful. There are some persons that are just crazy. Now, let me blow your mind. Some of these traders, we actually see that they're always posting 10 standard or 100,000. Let me tell you the reality of life. Many of them are demo. Yes, they cannot beat me. I'll tell you the real truth. Many of them are demo accounts. And since a lot of people want to be fooled, they can enjoy the fooling. That's their own problem. It's not my problem. If you say I'm trading demo, it's your own problem. If you say my lot size is small, it's your own problem. After all, it's the account that I post I want you to see. A trader does not have one account. And even with the 0.1 lot size, I made close to 200K in one day. Have you ever made that kind of money in one day before? With the 0.1 lot size, open in multiple positions, in a day, I can make 100K if the trades go for me, or 300K, or 250K. Is that not money? That's someone's salary in 4 years. And you're saying, in 4 months rather, and you're saying, if it's a trader, he will not be using zero. Amazing. Okay, so in as much as I'm laughing at this, if anybody comes to me to tell me rubbish about one thing, I'll just block the person. I'll just block the person straight up. Because how is that your business? How is anything that I do as regards my own personal your own business? That's very crazy. Okay. So it's very, very crazy. So I needed to address this and let you guys know some of the black sheeps. We have black sheeps amongst people. And I'm not even surprised about these black sheeps because Jesus Christ, as a religious person in Christianity aspect, he has haters. Devil self get haters. Yes, now because normal Christian no like devil. Whiskey get haters. Davido get haters. But now, if you look at the things that I have mentioned, guys, the hate these people that have haters, did it stop them from going forward? No, it didn't stop them from going forward at all. They are even progressive. Now, if you ever find yourself hating someone that has love all around him or have followers all around him, see, the reality of life is that you never grow, you will not prosper. That's the reality of life. If you find yourself being a hater of someone or an organization or something that maybe you are hating on a church or something, just know that you cannot prosper in life. It's not fact, it's reality of life. It's just reality of it's not sorry, it's not cause rather, it's reality of life. They never progress, those haters. All right, so it's a good thing to have haters, The haters even contribute to someone going up very well, self. You understand? Okay, so but I just have to address this and to tell you guys in the academy, it may not be me, maybe someone outside you're looking up to or something. Don't be in a position of hating somebody or something. That's why a person is not feeding you or doing anything. It's not your no, it's none of your business. You pray for your own to come so that you move forward. If you are hating on somebody that has a lot of love and followers, does it add one error to the person pocket? Instead, you are the one depreciating. You are the one not progressing. Check it out. And that's highly terrible. All right. Okay, I'm seeing some some messages right here. Okay. From you guys. Okay, so said they love fake tweets. Yeah, they love fake tweets. So if I start posting, I'm seeing some suggestions right here about X. Calm down, calm down. We know where to move and where not to move. I bet you should follow his real demo traders. All right, yeah. So I just needed to brief you guys on that. I think that took about 20 minutes of talk. So we already have over 100 persons participating right now, and more are still joining. All right. So the first market that caught my attention, which I actually gave to you guys in the funded traders group, is what I'm going to share it right away. But before I dive right into that, don't forget that when you want to be part of our funded trader group, what you need to do is what when you're signing up, don't forget to use FX Media promo code FX Media 28, all in small letters. That's the FX Media in small letters, all of them in small letters. Then 28. Okay, so that's what you should use. So that qualifies you to being inside the funded trader. You guys should check out and see people that collect subscription for signals, $100, $50, $150. And there are some ingrates that we still have around. They just find ingrates and just block straight. I don't even used to even waste time or waste typing or whatever. My workers already know how far. You just see one kind of stupid message like that. Just block the message. No time for long talk. Nobody is worth me wasting time on such a stupid matter. You get. So yeah, you have a free signal. Buy your account, send us a message. As long as you use a promo code, you'll be added. You get your signals. And note, I don't trade every day. FS Media does not trade every day. Once I see a signal that goes in well, I send it to the academy. Does trade hit our SL? Sure, trade will hit SL normal, but by the grace of God, we provide signals that, you know, our profit will be more than our losses. Okay, so I don't trade every day. Unlike, okay, Friday, 2 days ago, I said we had eyes on so pairs, but did I end up dropping signal? No, I didn't drop the signal because I did not see the total confirmation to enter that trade. But on Thursday, I dropped a wonderful signal that moved massively in quite a number of pips. Okay, so we don't trade every day. So, but we mostly drop signal in New York session from 12:1 to 12:1 to just turn on your Telegram notification on that group. 12:1 to mostly. Not like I cannot drop signal in the morning, you know. But let me tell you the truth. I used to sleep. That's just it. I used to sleep. I sleep late at night. By the time I wake up in the morning at like 10, 11. So before I put myself together, so I have to trade New York session. That's why I have to sleep well. I don't sleep. Sometimes I trade Asian in the night when I'm awake working. Okay. But it's just have limited people that are actually um awake at Asian section before I drop signal. So it just on rare occasions I don't drop, but that does not mean I don't trade as well. All right, so those of you that want to be part of our synthetic indices class 3.0, 3.0 is coming up. All right, so we'll still put it out so you can plan for the uh, synthetic indices class 3.0. And I encourage those of you that already graduated or already understand the price action very well to partake in the synthetic 3.0. But in this case, we are adding it to something very, very crazy to spice up your trading. So look forward to that. Remember our event that's coming up on Saturday. So if you are actually in Lagos, you can attend the event. Let me see you. I would love to see many of you face to face. Let's take some pictures together, share one or two, and you coming on that day, you can even stand a chance of winning an account self anyway. But that does not mean you should not put your mind in the deal. If you have money to buy accounts, but if you come that day and you eventually win a $10,000 account, fine. You have two accounts. It's a good one. Okay, but don't put all your hope that I no go buy account, I go win that one. No, don't do like that. But I believe that at least somebody in the FX media farms will win the $10,000 and funded account. All right. So I believe somebody will actually win. And if you're not in Lagos and you wish to come, book flights. You pass them, okay? If you never pass them, don't worry. There'll be other events for you to attend and you book flights. Or probably maybe the next event you might be holding might be in your state. Probably in Abuja, maybe Ghana, or Owerri, Port Harcourt. Yeah, maybe it does depend anyway. All right. So that's what's my location. Location is Lagos. Is it going to hold online? Nope. I doubt it's going to hold online. So it's a physical something. That's a big code. Drop patient section signal. We need to sleep at night. If I see, I will drop, no problem. Since we have people that are usually awake. If I see one, that is if I'm awake, that is if I'm looking at the market, fine, I'll drop. But most signals comes in from 12 noon, but not every day. Someone said I lost my pattern. Yeah, you can't be trading every day. What's happen? You're trading every day. You just at the end of the month, you'll not be profitable. Okay, you'll not be profitable because trading every day, it's not every time there's a signal. It depend if you have a particular strategy. That strategy can provide you signals every day. There's no way. So you have to trade. You have to trade according to your profitable signals. Once you have your complete confirmations, then you can take your trade. So I don't trade every day. All right. So back to what I was saying. I said the markets that we get to. I told you guys on Friday to look out for, in which moved a little bit. You are saying to it. But before that Friday, I said that to be having more buys. I want somebody to, if you're actually on that funded trader group, I posted a trade and I said we'll be having more buys on this particular pair that we should add it to our watch list. Somebody should remind me. I remember I just want somebody to actually type it right there. Let me know if you actually be following what we post on the funded trader. There's a pair I said we'll be having more buys. Benjamin, sharp guy. Yeah, Benjamin actually got GBP USD. All right, so GBP USD is what I said we'll be having more of buys. All right, so if now I'm sharing my screen, I'm sharing my screen now. If what you're seeing on settings to HD. All right, so you can see my chart clearly. All right, so share my chart already. So we are into this. Before 10, you should be done. Yeah, before 10. All right, so the one I said you should add to our watch list is GP should add to our watch list. And don't forget, what we're using is what the pair you use is the FXCM. All right, so that's one that has the correct GBP USD chart. All right, so you can still handle FXCM or Oanda. Like gold now, gold does not have it under FXCM, it has under Oanda. All right, so you can use that one, but the one that has FXCM, you use it. That's one that has the original chart. All right, so this is the GBP USD. GBP USD. So I said we'll be having more buys. The reason is because of what? Now I'm going to show you the reason why we'll be having more buys right here. Now it's a note what the strategy we use a price action, pure price action that we use, and a little bit of SMC that we use. All right. So why did I say we have more? We're going to be having more buys. You know, we've been following this trade GBP USD for months now, right? Even though in some cases that dribbled us and we have dribbled the markets as well. But I said we'll be having more buys because of the market structure that I can see right here. So this is on a higher time frame, day one. All right. So based on what you're seeing right here, okay. Coming. So having a double bottom on this support level on a higher time frame level. All right, and this trend line we have here has been taken out now, leading to it forming the first high. Higher low. All right, so we're forming the first high, the recent higher high that we have, and came back for a retest on this. Now we have a wonderful going out and retested. Okay, so this is on the day one time frame. I said we'll be having more of buys. So she's looking for opportunity to buy. You understand that higher time frames actually does what? Higher time frames is one that controls every other time frame. Yeah, it has much control over that. Other time frame are like babies, you know, like daddy, mommy. So daddy, mommy, that the one that have the higher time frame. So those person are the kids. Okay. So we analyze using the top analysis. We analyze from higher time frame, then we boil down to lower time frame and find our entry on either 15 minutes or 30 minutes time frame. All right. So I've said this before that don't allow anybody to make you feel like if you're trading a price action, that price action does not work where it is SMC or flip zone or one year talk or the other or ICT. No, everybody has a strategy that works for yourself, but don't make anybody feel like don't allow anybody to feel like this strategy when they use now go pick your own. No, that's a very bad mindset. You know that people just have 3 conferences or 2 conferences in trades and they are profitable with that. There are people that trade only indicators. Yes, they trade only indicators and they are profitable. As long as you are profitable in your signal, just build on your strategy. Build on it. What do I mean build on it? You know, ensure that you are master on that strategy. Grow in it. Know in and out of it and use it. Period. At the end of the day, now who they make money for forex markets now matters. Not be who sabi draw trend line pass or who sabi draw charts. Because you analyze tire, you know they withdraw money. What's the point? You're not a forex trader. Okay. So that's just it. That's what matters at the end of the day. Are you making profitable withdrawals off of the forex market? That is it. You may fool yourself, you may fool me as you're posting charts or you're doing this, you catch 1 pips. But it by yourself, you and yourself knows whether it's real money you're making or it's fake money that you're making. Okay. So don't let anybody to make you feel less of yourself. Right. So price action, if you check very well, I'll tell you, I'll beat my chest on it. I see price action, and what your big traders are. You know, most of your big traders are around the world use price action. Yes, most of your big traders in the world use price action. Dr. Willis, who is a what is a hedge fund person, There's a funded trader of like I think $150 million. He trades funds for companies and individuals, airlines individuals in foreign countries. He uses price action, top down analysis. Okay, so who is that person that is now saying, is this my strategy or is this SMC or is this ICT that is the best? No, no, no. Don't be fooled by those kind of perceptions of things. Okay, so if you are making losses, you ensure that you must have done the right things. What are the right things? Have gone through a structured education. And if you're looking for a structured education, ensure you're part of FX Media Academy. All right. So you must have done the original thing first. If you are part of it, not just you being part of it, to do your own part. That when I communicate knowledge to you, you receive it and practice it, let it become part of you. So that is it. Okay. If you have done all those things correctly, then if you find yourself still feeling unready, I know that there are certain loopholes that maybe you must have skipped. Forest is progressive, okay, but going through lessons, first lessons, you can't actually not be making profits. It is you that has done mistake one way or the other. In forex trading, you don't leave piled up notes, you don't leave piled up classes. It is not carpentry, it's not catering, it is serious business. Have you gone to the inner circle of banks? Do you know how that chamber is where they trade forex? The drop of pin, everybody can hear it in that circle. It's no joke. Not to talk of you that you want to quickly come and make. No, you got to put a level of seriousness and hard work to it. There is money in forex. Now give up, fuck up. Last. There's no money, so what's the point of teaching you guys this? There's no money. What is the point of making this opportunity most of the time like more or less free? Even streaming live free. Almost some things free. Why? Why am I not taxing you for everything, every service of no? Forex is expensive, fine. It's very expensive, okay. You shouldn't even be giving out free. That's it. It shouldn't be given out. It's very expensive. Anybody that's charging you high money or whatever, as long as a person knows what he's doing and is making money, fine. There's no money you tag to forex that you call is too expensive because you still make back that money. All right. But it's also unfortunate that some persons still fall under the hand of fake traders that are not really traders. Okay, so giving you free value because I'm making money from forex. If not, for everything I communicate to you, I collect money from your hand. I'm not just calling money, serious money. If you are attending YouTube live, if you don't have $200, get out. That's it. But no, it is free. Okay. So, like I said, now give up. Actually, what fuck up? If you want fuck up, that one are your own cup of Gary. So I say, but I prefer Zoom to YouTube. Zoom is better than. But so what is the best higher time frame to trade with? There's no best higher time frame you can trade. So I say you prefer Zoom. I prefer YouTube, bro. I prefer YouTube. This can accommodate a lot of persons. I can do stuff. All right. So back to what we're doing. I was on. Let me put the chart back. I was on GPP USD. All right. So let's fall back to the 4 hours time frame. So let's see what the 4 hours time frame is saying. All right. So we are loading. Now on the 4 hours time frame, we have a retest and a double bottom right here. Perfect reason for it to buy. It's only juju. Now I'm telling you, see as I'm beating my chest on the forex market. This particular trade. It's only juju or news or market manipulation that can make this market not to go. This market is definitely going to be buying. Sure banker. All right, out. We test with a double bottom. Come on, it's already trying to buy up with a bullish confirmation candles right here. They're trying to buy before market got closed. So when market opens, you might do a little bit of retracement or start buying immediately. But you see, for GBP USD, I'm seeing more buys this week. So if you have good capital, just enter buy, they shake your leg like this. Now, in as much we are we actually predict the market does not mean it's always good our direction. Does not represent this, it's not my father that owns the forex market. As well as I'm saying I beat myself with my chest. It doesn't mean it cannot go against me, but that is why we SL comes in. Now stop loss comes in. We always put stop loss. So just in case market did not do as expected, okay, we'll just lose small. If market do as expected, we make a lot of money. You understand? So for the fact that I was saying this market is going to buy, shouldn't mean you should not put stop loss. So put your stop loss so that if it doesn't go you know that stop loss wey go knack na small one. You get. So here we have it. So where can we actually enter? You cannot just come and enter on a 4 hours time frame except that a swing trader, a badass swing trader. So we're going to lower time frame to find opportunities to what enter. All right. So this on the 1 hour time frame, we have our trend line right here, which has been broken already. So I would have called this buy on Friday, but market was already closing. So there was no point calling the buy anymore. I said I was going to talk about it in YouTube live and let you guys know that we're going to be experiencing more buys on GBP USD. Okay. So but if it goes otherwise, we'll find other opportunities to do what? Sell the market. Okay. But what we're seeing more buys. All right. So this is a 30-minute time frame. Let me take out all these drawings. These drawings quickly. When it's time for question, I'll let you guys know. Okay. Let me do what I want to do first. All right. So these are the 30 minutes time frame. So where are we expecting an entry from right now? So if I'm going to be entering this market, so based on what we actually have here, okay. So we have this. All right, wonderful. So this is a new high. Fantastic. The lower time frames are what you use to know, be able to know where to enter in from. All right, so here's a small breakout. All right, so now if I'm going to enter this trade, so let me bring out my long position. All right, so now if I'm going to enter this trade, what I'll just do is simple, like this. Now I will do what? If I'm going to enter this trade immediately when market opens, though I always allow market to calm down, to open and relax before I take my trade. So if I'm going to take my trade from here immediately, I'll just do testing the waters first. So if market comes down a little bit and gives me a confirmation again, I add more positions. Like they call it stacking. I start more position. But my SL will be around here. And here. All right. So this is what can be. Reason is because why am I putting my SL here? And why is it under 29? I told you guys if you're an intraday trader, you shouldn't be risking more than 30 pips on a trade. Okay. So reason is because there's a break of structure right here, which is this. Okay. So there are chances that market could come back to test this part level. Okay, or it can move from here. So whichever level is coming from, because markets cannot just move straight. Okay, you can do zigzaga, zagazigi. Let me show you that quickly. Market can do something, maybe go like this, come like this, go like this, come to this place, go like this, 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 something like this, like this, like that, and start going up. That's market for you. All right, it's market for you. So that's the reason why I put my SL here, and it's a very good SL. If you smash here, I know that okay, it don't scatter. But as long as it has not hit my SL, I have not lost that particular trade. So where will be my target profit right now? Okay. My first target profit will be in the previous high. And where is the previous high? The previous higher high, rather. This is it here. Now, always remember where I set the position to get to, but can always reverse. All right. So we are not the makers of the market. So this is a position where we are actually looking at. So before we can predict what it is today, let's go check out what the news is actually saying for the week, because your fundamentals are very, very important for you to check, because You can analyze like this. Okay, oh, news can come and change analysis. Tell you we are in charge here. You get. So okay, I'm coming, guys. Like I said to you guys, if you have a question to you, I'll ask. There'll be time for question and answer. All right. So here we have it. Okay. So do we have any serious news today? We don't have a serious news on this Monday 20. Don't have serious news tomorrow. All of them are low, 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 medium. So the next high news we have is the next day on AUD. Okay. All right. So then on USD card, we have that on Wednesday. USD rather, right here. We have two highs here. We have two highs here. All right. So where we see a major news, no, we not really like a major news. It's from Tuesday. So but Tuesday at 2:30, Tuesday afternoon. But Monday is a free day. You can trade. Your price action should work tomorrow. Should work well. So you trade in line of that. All right. So we are free of that. Okay. So back to the chart. So somebody was actually saying something about Euro GBP. Euro GBP. No, Euro GBP. Does not stop believe it alone. That's for me. But if I have other setup later coming in the week, GBP US is what I'm looking at for this week. All right. So our target profit for GBP USD in a recent higher high is just 54 pips. So with 54 pips, imagine I open about maybe in a summary of like one standard lot. Only one standard lot, like in a total one, maybe like open like 0.5 in two places. Targeting that 54 pips. You know, actually, we have made money for the week. Yes, I've actually made money for the week because of account size. Yes, I can also open 0.5 in two places on this signal, on this trade when market opens. I can be done trading if market goes in. For me, a very simple mathematics that we can actually do for pips. So that should be $54. So not to not talk of when you are using 10 of it. That's $540. So what we have one, two, one. That's over 600K, 608K. So if trade is that 608K in a week is not bad. It's also cool. If I have more trades to enter, I can also make like 2 million before the end of the week on that. So you don't have to trade every day. You see good signal, you knock it better lot like this. As long as your account can carry it and it's cool based on applying proper risk management. So cool. It don't make any sense at all. All right. So JPP. At this point, I'd like you guys to drop suggestions on the market you want us to look at. For me, I'm only looking at GBP USD. All right. So like I said to you guys, if you have more setups on other market that we can look at in, I'll let you guys know in the founder trader group. And if you're not in the founder trader group, I already understand price action, go get your account straight up. Go to our website or go to 10 Trade, use our promo code FS Media 28. If you did not use promo code before but use our link, it's not a problem. I mean, if you are new and if you have actually opened an account, I see a lot of persons open accounts, but you've not bought an account. I did not ask you to just sign up. Why you just signed as you sign, you should buy account. You don't want to make money before the end of Christmas. Buy an account and take signals. If you can take signals well, even while you are still learning, you can take signals, you can buy, still buy, join and participate so you can still make money before Christmas. Or even if you don't make money, you can still make money by January. All right. That if you and now I'm not rushing anybody. If you have the capacity to fine. If you don't have, maybe you have it later, fine, no problem. Everybody at his own pace. right? So if you are trading you just your normal account, fine, no problem. There's Forex broker you can use, extend trade. Those two I beat my chest on are fantastic brokers that we still use. All right. So by the breaking news, should I break the news for you guys? Hmm. Should I tell you guys? Maybe when the matter done, where I will tell now waiting so, but something cool is coming, right? To reward a lot of people. Um, mm, I'm not. What should I talk? Should I talk? No, should I talk? Should I talk? Should I talk? I'm not sure whether to talk. Should I talk to the? Yeah, say yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. All right. So based on the plans, yeah, in place, so you can put it in your prayer point. Let it work. Let me spill the beans. According to Kingsley Wanchuku, if it actually works, you should have. I pray it works. The plans you're looking out for. There is a contest coming up by the grace of God, a trading contest. And in this trading contest, you're not paying anything at all, but there's a reward, a good reward. I won't tell you what the reward is. You are trading demo accounts. So the demo account you are trading, now who a account loud passing. We have some set of people about. I told you guys in competition now. I told you guys we award student of the year. All right, so it's coming up. So this time around, it's unlike the last time that we used real funds. This period, we're not using real fund. So everybody can participate as long as you are part of Apex Media. You can participate on that demo contest, and the reward is very fantastic. One of the person we're actually talking about, he suggested, he said maybe the first prize would go home with a PS5. I said, is that not too much? Well, always between first calm down, PS5 can no, wait. Calm down. So we're still inside the matter. Okay, we're still inside the matter on that. So I just say let me spill the beans to you guys. So if you not take trading serious, now play you do. Now play take trading serious because by the grace of God, the contest should be coming up and it's going to be around January, sha, by the grace of God, January, February. Right, so but we're still planning. I'm not supposed to tell you, but you guys, the sister, I tell you guys. Since I don't miss, I did hear demo. Yes, I said demo. You trading contest, you trade with demo accounts, not real accounts. All right. So, once we have fully finalized everything, I'll push it to you guys. Then everybody can register and participate. Leaderboard will be everybody see be transparent. You see leaderboard, you see everything that you need to see right there. So if you know the trade where you go know what's up. All right. So what was our suggestion for the trades we should look out for? So we don't be the first 10 trade customer to yet. Actually, it's not even 10 trade though. Not really 10 trade, sure, but don't worry. Make we come, boss. I really wait for it. Okay. So, like I said, add it to your prayer point. Okay, that it actually have head. Because we want the prices to be good. So it's the prices that we want it to be okay. You get. So when you are spending a couple of millions on the prices, so you just you know um so that's one of the things, and we're putting some things in modalities in place to ensure that the competition is transparent and there is no wuru wuru, there's no cheating. You get. Okay, what suggestions? Which one do we have that popped? So these players that are trading good, 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 good. Hmm. Okay, I'm not. I've checked out good before. Gold not so cool. It doesn't have the setup that I would like to trade gold. So we'll check UOJPY. We'll check USD CHF. UOJPY. See me that I said we'll be done by 10. It is well. I like communicating good information to you guys so you guys don't miss out of what's up. All right, so what's on this UJPY that I just see suggestions? Let's go to higher time frame and see what's happening there. So even though it's looking like it's an uptrend, always trade with the trend. Trend is your friend. Hmm. Now this is a market that I've seriously overbought, and it could reverse at any moment from now. So for me, okay, I think I saw this earlier. This is an uptrend market, all right, and it's looking like it's failing on the 1 hour time frame. Why is it looking like it's failing? Let's analyze and see what you can get. Let's analyze. So your trend line, major trend line works effectively when you draw them from 1 hour time frame or 4 hours time frame. They work effectively. Then for entries, you can draw small trend lines. But when you have a major trend line time frame, you're good. So look at this trend line. It respected it on the higher time frame. All right. So on this 4 hours time frame, we have a double top rejection. Right here, two double top. Okay. Let's fall down. This is a break of the trend line. Right. So here is the top. All right. This is a right field. It failed here and it's coming back. So this is a break of a trend line. All right. Neckline. So I think we have this right here. Right. Hmm. And this one is very serious uptrend. Okay. They are failed. All right. So 30 minutes. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame. So we have this on the 30 minutes time frame. All right. So with what I'm saying, I'm looking out for a sell. A sell right there. All right. So this line I actually drew here. All right. So based on what I'm saying here, market can likely come up to this zone. But if you're a swing trader, you start entering from here. But for me, I'm coming. Let me see where I can actually enter from. All right. Okay. I put my SL here. If it comes there, it touch my SL and it shows rejections on this place. No, let me just this like this. All right, so I'll put my SL in this place. Okay, this next place right here. This level. So this will be that should be TP2. This TP1, TP2. Then this should be TP3. All right. So this is a good setup actually. So we're risking 37 pips on this trade. The reason is because of market could come to test this level up here. So that's why I put it at 37.4 pips, right? 37.4 pips. Targeting, this is another good trade you can actually look out for. All right. So no news on new card. So by the grace of God, trades should go in our direction. But if it doesn't, we have our SL for trades to hit rather. Trades to hit rather. Okay. So let's check our 5 minutes. Maybe we have the rejection there. Okay, we have a little rejection here, but we'll have more confirmations when the market opens. So put this on your watch list. GPP USD, put Euro JPY on your watch list as well. Okay, but remember this market is on a strong uptrend. A strong uptrend. But due to the fact that these two have failed, so we could have more. Now, but before market will get to this TP3, to take a while, guys. Take a while. Take a while. Trust me, it's going to take. It can't drop massively except news comes in and follow the analysis. Fine, but it's going to take a while before it gets to 101 pips. Man, that's a lot of money. It's a pure swing trade. Pure swing trade. Safer side, our stop loss should be around 44.8 pips. For swing trading this, if your account is cool, you can swing trade this trade 101 pips is a fantastic setup. So GBP USD setup, UJPY setup, a cool setup that you can actually you know put on your watch list for this week. All right, so that's a good one. So let's check out the candlestick close on a higher time frame. All right, so the market on the higher time frame that daily closed bullish. This bullish candle can be dangerous. It can control lower time frame candle. So we're having a bullish candle here. This is it. Now this bullish candle that we have on the higher time frame can make the market buy. This is the only thing that can make the market buy. All right, can make the market buy. So but if I'm going to sell, I'm not selling immediately. I'll allow the market to settle. I'll allow the market to settle and see where I can sell from. So that big bullish candle that closed on day one can make the market move up to continue buying. Get. But when the market opens, we observe. But like I said, put it on your watch list. GBP USD, put UJPY on your watch list as well. Okay, I'm saying what class food said. The person should be gifted a funded account instead of PS5. Okay, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So when is the synthetic class holding? I'll let you guys know, but plan for the synthetic class. Synthetic 3.0. Synthetic market is what we trade every weekend. So I did not trade this weekend. That's why I did not. For like a couple of weeks, I've not traded because of the death of my dad. You guys know that I lost my dad. All right, so I've not traded synthetic in the past. So I just resumed trading on Thursday. And by the grace of God, the first trade that we took and dropped a signal, we made money. All right. So we're back on the chart. Okay. So please analyze NZD USD. Boss Lisa, boss, you're always giving. Thank you so much. Boss, when I get the 10 trade account, how do I get? All right, so you send us a message so you can get into the VIP founder traders signal. Send us a message. If you do not use our link or use our promo code, there's no way you enter there. There's no way. So we are having NZD USD, USD CHF, and CAD CHF, and also AUD USD. So what I'm going to do, I'll just quickly check all these pairs. Anyone that have good setup, analyze. The one that does not have good setup, we're not analyzing. So I say, sir, please, what is the benefit of using a higher time frame, boss? For top-down analysis, higher time frame controls the lower time frame. That's one of the advantages, all right? All right. So we take the first one, USD JPY, USD CHF rather. Samuel Okono dey miss live session. Nice one. You dey miss YouTube live. That's a good one. So USD CHF. Oko made $75 from our signals on Thursday. Yeah, and that's a good one. Fantastic one. That's someone's salary in 3 months or 2 months. Wow, crazy. Okay, so go to higher time frame. If we don't have a good setup, we change to the next one. So this is USD CHF. USD have a smart TP. Perfect. Came down, and this is where currently is. Okay. So let's quickly run through. If there is something to trade. Okay. I don't like trading this kind of market. I'll go on to the next to check AUD. So my own is to take trades on best setup and not to be jumping up and down. That's what trading has put me back time. Can't be trading every day. But if signal appears every day based on a strategy, I take my trades. Normal. Okay, so we have AUD USD. This AUD dribble us. This is a dribble us. All right. So this AUD USD is supposed to move, but it's just been dribbling. It's been dribbling. Supposed to move. Supposed to buy up to this place. AUD USD have been dribbling. Okay. So based on the structures it has created, this structure. Okay. All right. So you add this guy to your watch list, AUD USD, and trade with caution because it's been dribbling. It's been doing stop loss hunt. Trade with caution. You should have more buys for AUD USD. But what will confirm the buy the more is when it has taken out this level, this high right here, this one. Once that's, I only buy. See where I only buy. Let me know. Let me let you know. Add it to your watch list. I'll only buy when this level has been taken out. This one here has been taken out. That's when I only buy. Okay, so this place market should have broken out, came for the test, then I'll take my buy up to this trend line. So this is my entry. This place should be my entry. So let me mark it out. Tree. So for now, I can't add this trade. So that's a good one on AUD USD. So the other one I saw was CAD itself. CAD has been going according to analysis. Perfect. Because this thing happened. Look at this wonderful setup. I gave it to you guys now this week. Last time we traded this setup. And it's been following according to plan. It tapped into our entry points, which I analyzed for you guys. And it's currently at this point right here. That's a very good setup. It's been selling since. been selling. Been selling. So there's no place you can actually enter right now on this place. So it just came up, tap into this zone and analyze for you guys, and it's currently here. Perfect, wonderful, beautiful. So I think I saw NZD USD. I think Samoko suggested that. I start dropping your questions. I think this is the last one I'm looking at. Drop your questions, not pay. Drop your question. I'll take that for 10 minutes and I'm out. All right. So check if there's a setup here. If you have not arrived at that position where you open up a chart and your eyes have automatically placed trend lines and support and resistance, more, you still need to practice more. If you have attained that level, you know that you have spent a lot of time in the market, like analyzing. All right, you spent a lot of time in that. So if you have not arrived at, or to that, you have not arrived at that point, you're not there yet. Okay, I don't see any good reasonable setup in NZD. I don't see any. I just I don't see any setup. Any good setup here. I don't see any. So those ones we've analyzed actually put it on our watch list. Okay. All right. So sir, please, I cannot see from your screen. If you want to see from my screen, you gotta put your phone in slant mode and correct your change your platform to HD mode. You know they use manage data to stream YouTube. All right. And if you didn't see clearly, you can watch the the recap. I'll make it available on our channel. All right. So Connie said, "Are we done indicators?" No, sir. Sir, please, as a beginner, should you stick to one pair or multiple pairs? As a beginner, you should explore diverse markets. All right, explore diverse markets so that when you're exploring, you find the one that you are best comfortable with. Then they should not pass more than 5 to 10 that you trade. Okay, 5 to 10 pairs that you trade. Some person trade one, two. Just find the one that you're comfortable with and you understand very well. But as a beginner, explore the pairs. Explore. When I mean explore, check all of them out. All right. Okay, so funded account is better for the winner of the competition. Okay. All right. See nice suggestions. Okay. We can't see your screen clearly. I'll address that. I've been enjoying your class since a few days now. Thank you so much, Fush. Sir, how do we know the exact lot size to use on a $100 account? I'm willing to reach 10% of the account. But Okodu Dave is a new student. Don't worry, you get an answer. An answer to that. That's how diving into that immediately. Even if I explain, I may not understand. All right. Your risk to reward is very important when trading and your pips. Don't worry, you get to that place and I'll explain that better for you. Okudili David. All right, Romeo said, sir, which time frame do you trade with? I trade with all time frames from 15 minutes to daily time frame. Hardly will you see me enter weekly time frame or monthly, right? So, but I can enter there, but that depends on the what I'm seeing. You get. So if you have been following me on YouTube stream, find out that I hardly enter monthly or weekly, hardly. So I'm a day trader, a day trader as well. All right. So what is different between trading on the MT5 and trading on platforms like IQ options, expert options? IQ options, expert options. Now, my experience with that, I'll tell you that IQ options, expert options are fake. They are not real trading platforms. They're only there to take away your money from you. And that's not real trading. So don't even dive there. Even binary option, don't dive there. I'm streaming live on YouTube. Anybody around the world can hear me. I'm telling you the reality of life. Binary, expert option, IQ option, don't smell there. Okay. All right. Sir, Zoom is better. Say Zoom is better. We use this because of so anybody can connect on YouTube. So that's why we use YouTube. So if we're having in-house meetings, we use Zoom. All right. But this one that we are having right here is for anybody. You can invite your family and friends. But if I'm sending out a Zoom link, it's just for the academy in-house. I know that when we're doing in-house academy stuff, I drop Zoom. All right. So testimony they always get testimony. Bad guy, this guy don't chop money for Forex. Testimony. Say thanks for today, daddy. Thank you so much. There are people that you can't actually forget in this life. In as much they've made some money and made progress in Forex market, they still remain humble and loyal. And those kind of people I appreciate very, very well. Not just fake love, genuine loyalty. All right. So Peter that bought the car does not miss any class, even though he's making a lot of money. You know, they are just they're so wonderful people. I talk of one or two persons that are not serious, they're just talking here. It is well. But I really appreciate you guys for always turning up and the level at which you've grown into, and I'm happy. And I told you guys that seeing you guys grow is what gives me joy. Because I'm growing in Forex and I'll go much more. Japheth, Augustine to another person. So thank you for today lecture, boss. May Almighty God continue to bless you. Amen. Thank you so much. All right, boss, what's the address for the event? It's clearly written on the flyer. Okay, you can go and look at it again. It's in GRA, Ikeja, on event center like that. Check it out again. All right, so which other question do we have? The YouTube is easier, please. Okay, that's Valentine's suggestion. All right, sir, for a new trader, what is the best demo amount to trade? All right, 1K, 3K, 10K, not bad, but don't trade 100K. Don't trade 100K, except say in real life, you go 400K. Eh. When I mean 100K, I mean 100,000 dollars, so not naira. I'm not talking naira. 100K dollars. Don't trade it. You trade 1K, 3K, 5K, 10K. If you see $100, fine. $100 demo, fine. All right. So drop your questions. I'm picking question. All right. Mr. Thanks for today's class, boss. Thank you. I'm saying lots of thank you. Thank you so much. Please, sir. How do you identify different price actions? They're not different price action. Just one price action. So what about Binance? Is it good to trade there? Binance is for crypto trading. All right. So for these classes, I have heard you really love and appreciate you. Okay, thank you, Ziv Smart. Please, what is leverage and more info about lot size? All right, so leverage is you can find different levels of 1:100, 1:200, 1:500. So what it simply means is that let's do it 1:500. What it means is that if you are trading with $100 in capital, all right. So you are having a buy capacity of when you times that 500 times your $100 you're having. So what is the buying capacity? So that buying capacity should be $50,000 capacity. Am I correct? Yeah. So it means that your $100 has a buying capacity of $50,000 account. That's what leverage means. If I'm using one ratio 500 as an example. So the one represents your capital you're using. Then the 500 is now times the capital that you're using. It gives you the leverage. It's just like me. Look at it. It's just like, listen, guys, let me break it for a layman. It's just like me right now. As I am. I have 100 people guarding me. If I am going to talk or I'm going to do something, I'm going to be doing something in the strength of the 100 capacity that I'm having right now. I'm saying words too, but I'm talking as like 100%. I have the capacity of 100%. You get, even though I'm one person. So that's what leverage means. It's an opportunity that a broker gives to you. That's why you can grow an account to a certain level. You can see $100 grow to $1,000 or $3,000, or $1,000 grow to $10,000, or $10,000 go to $50,000. That's why you have the capacity to flip due to leverage. It's what your brokers offer for you to trade. They give you the opportunity to trade that. Okay, because I will win the competition, boss. Okay, sir, please, how can I calculate pips? They're coming to that class, all right? Child, boss, I come late. Yeah, sorry. Child, boss, okay, sir, what is price action? Calm down. Those of you that are new, calm down with your questions. You to be all be answered. You have a class tomorrow, all right? So, sir, please, how can I calculate this? Okay, I've said that before. So, how do I know I am risking 10% of my capital? I think you are new on that. I've done 5 classes on that, episodes, and they're available in the academy. Okay, boss, I hope you can teach us how candlesticks work. Sure, now when you are free, you get there, you know, on some price action class, candlestick. Candlestick is the first topic in price action class. Okay, thank you, sir. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. Guys, can you imagine? I said we are going to use about 30 minutes. And look at me talking to 1 hour to you guys. I'm not used to rushing matters. Just quickly rush. I want to ensure that everybody gets the information and you're doing so well. Now, if you're in the position of you are not here making profitable withdrawals, it's not a problem. Okay, it's not a problem yet. It's not a problem at so just keep getting better, keep practicing. It will come up. You definitely if you give up now, you fuck up. All right. So, but if you're already there making profit, you can look out for any more. Okay. All right. So, boss, please speak on time frame shift in the general affairs market. I don't understand that. I don't understand your question. All right. Can you say it's what it, boss? Boss, time trade has slippage. Oh. Every broker has slippage. Sure, every broker has slippage. All right. Now let me give you one small example, one cheat. Now, if you're trading a funded account, trading a funded account or evaluation account, it's not it's not every news that you should trade. Okay, it's not every news that you should trade. Know the kind of news you should trade. Okay, don't jump to get inside every news. All right, so that's just little secret I need to communicate to you. All right, okay. So how can I use Corapay to fund my 10 trade? Because I do not have Corapay Bank. You don't need to have Corapay Bank now. Go to our YouTube channel. I have a video made step-by-step guide to actually funding your account, funding your wallet and buying an account through Corapay. I explained that already now. Please, if you have any question on the prop firm 10 trade, just go to our YouTube channel. 2 videos are there. How to pass your 10 trade. I explained everything in YouTube video. Yeah, everything is a long way. I think 28 or 29 minutes. I explained everything there. Go and watch it. If anybody's asking, send him the link. Anybody can copy the link from FS Media platform. Send it to anybody that is interested. Not that you come and ask me a question on one thing I've already treated before. Okay. All right. Augustine Davis, thanks, my name. So, all right. So, thank you. Also, their dollar rate is so high compared to other broker. 10 trade uses normal black market rate. You are saying it's high because you are funding. When you are withdrawing, it will sweet you now. It's high because you are funding, but when you are withdrawing, it will sweet you. But if you feel like the rate is much, you can use Forex. All right. So if you are trading normal, you're not trading a prop firm account. If you want to trade normal, you can use Forex. Forex website. Go there. We are using 2 recommended brokers. And please, 10 Trade is also a broker. 10 Trade is also a broker and a prop firm. Okay, so don't be confused about it. 10 Trade is a 2-in-1 company, broker and a prop firm. Why Forex is just a broker and is available on our website. So their funding rate is about 700 or 800 thereabouts. So that is Forex does not provide prop firm services. Okay. So if you are trading normal account, trade Forex. You are buying prop firm, trade 10 Trade. That's the advice I give to you guys. I tell you the truth. Somebody that does not want your progress will be telling you rubbish. I'm telling you, it's only after your money. But I'll tell you the real thing. I'm already making money from my own normal trades and every other things that I do as well. Okay, so I'll be real to you, tell you guys, because I want you guys to succeed. And see, I don't almost every day I post testimonies of students. I like it. I enjoy it. It sweets me very well. Okay, because I'm happy when you guys are winning. All right. So guys, I think that will be all for tonight. So I show you analyze the forex market. What the market we have analyzed today. Put it on your watch list. Ensure you make money this week. I'm projecting 2 to 3 million this week by the grace of God. All right. So I don't know what you're projecting. You can project as well. But try as much as possible to trade the real account. If you are already understanding transaction, if you know how to take signals, you can get an account in our signal room. All right. You make money before Christmas. Okay. And the academy will soon close for the year. The academy will close for the year, I think the week of Christmas. Okay. So anything you want to do, you do it between now and 24th. Academy should be closing maybe 23, 24th. All right. Anything you want to do, you want to join, you want to learn for us, whatever, get in. If you want to do synthetic or communicate to you guys every other information that you need. Now, lastly, if you want to get to me directly, like you need swift response from me. Okay. Maybe I'm not replying on WhatsApp here due to excessive chat. Chat me up on Instagram. My Instagram is not crowded, but Facebook is crowded. Okay. Maybe you can chat me on TikTok. TikTok and Instagram, they are not crowded. All right. So, but WhatsApp is a bit crowded and Facebook is a bit crowded. So, if you want to do something quickly, you can just leave me a message on Instagram or TikTok. When I come on that platform, I reply you straight up. I mean, the Forex market used to open by 10 o'clock, but it's now 11 o'clock. Oh. Really? I didn't hear that. I'll check it out. I passed my challenge. Wow, great, Big Sam. Great. That's a great news. He said he passed his challenge. Wow. That's a great one. Send me your everything right now to my WhatsApp. Send me, as you send me, flash me so I can get your DM and screenshot so I can post and encourage every other person that has evaluation accounts to pass. So if I were you, if I have money for higher package, I go for higher package of a $10,000 account, or I go for instant funded account. If I were you, don't sleep on $29. But if that's $29 is your capacity, fine. But never forget, whenever you make profit, withdraw to your normal account and trade your normal account, okay? Because that one you can withdraw anytime that you want. But firm account, you cannot withdraw anytime that you want. There's a particular time you withdraw, once a month or depending on whatever one you choose, maybe it's bilateral or whatever. Okay, never forget that. I used to really ask me that question, could lead David, have I speaking French? Go to our website, said you use two brokers, Forex and 10 trade. That's what we use. Go to our website. If you're signing up for 10 trade, those of you that sign up, I'm repeating it again. If you sign up, ensure you get an account. Don't just sign up and that's it. Okay. Congratulations. Okay, thank you. All right, I think that's all. Thank you so much for being part of tonight's live stream. I really appreciate you. Keep winning, keep practicing. Always serve God. Do what's necessary. Involve God in your business. All right. Never forget that. Commit God in everything. Commit your business in everything that you do in the hands of God. All right. And watch God work in His wonderful ways. All right. So if you take God seriously, you take it seriously. That's how it works. Okay. That's how it works. So you want grace, faster grace, do what I ask you to do. You want God to do wondrous work in your life, be serious with Him. All right. So if you're a Muslim, be serious with what you're doing. If you're a Christian, be serious with what you're doing. If you're a traditionalist, come aside from that traditional and be a Christian or a Muslim. All right. And be good. Be nice to people. All right. If somebody is winning, be happy for that person. Congratulate the person and pray that your own time comes for your own congratulation. All right. And don't envy anybody. See, when you envy somebody, you go 10 step backward. You don't progress in life. Trust me. Tell you the reality of life. All right. So that's it for the night. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful week. Bye. I love you all.